this Mars mission. Joining me on the phone is Mr. Wu Ji, Director at the National Space Science Center at Chinese Academy of Sciences. Welcome to our program, Mr. Wu. But only the United States, Europe and Russia have so far successfully sent probes that have orbited or landed on Mars. If the launch is a success, where would India rank among global space powers?
Yes, it's true that there's only a few countries that has already launched successfully to a Mars mission. We have said this afternoon that India has a successful launch of their Mars orbiter, but the orbiter is still remaining in the Earth's orbit. It has not been departing from the Earth and to the Mars. So it will take a few weeks. So we will see what will happen later on. Yeah.
Right, and the launch is only the first step of the mission to Mars. So, Mr. Wu, tell us more about the challenges the orbiter will face in reaching the red planet.
Yes, in about a few weeks, as they are planned on the 1st of December, they will start their engine on the spacecraft and the departure from Earth to Mars. And this, I think, this is the first obstacle they have to overcome. And normally, there should be no problem. But right now, we are on a solar peak period, which means a lot of solar exploration, and the sun is not very quiet. So there's a lot of high energy particles coming from the sun. So I believe they will have some designs to protect this. And if everything succeeds, they will departure from Earth and go to the Mars orbit to go to the Mars. During this journey, it will take about 10 months to arrive Mars orbit in September next year. So during these 10 months, there will be a lot of things they have to do. First, they have to maintain the communication, talking to the spacecraft all the way through these 10 months. And secondly, during these 10 months, they have to adjust their orbit for a few times, at least one or two times. So the communication and their command has to be sent to the spacecraft very precisely, and they have to measure the orbit parameters very precisely. So there's a lot of things to do within these 10 months.
All right, thank you very much indeed, Mr. Wu Ji from Chinese Academy of Sciences.